Hello there guys, welcome back to a new video, and you have joined me with my BMW 650i. Of course, we're at the Nürburgring and we're about to take this thing on to the Nordschleife. Yes, I'm going to be going on the Nordschleife once again. I haven't been on it yet in this car and I'm excited to see what this thing can do. Now, obviously, I'm not going to be pushing things to the absolute max. I'm actually on a bit of a tour of Europe at the moment. I'm going to be covering about 4,000 miles over the next 4 or 5 weeks, so I really don't want to crash this thing, but hopefully we're going to see what it can do and have some fun. Now I'm just going to do some essential checks. You know, we're going to check things like tyre pressures, all of the fluid levels, things like that, just to make sure that we are safe to go onto the Nordschleife. And then we're going to get on, get our pass and have some fun.
A bit quiet this time. Yeah. It took ages for you to come around the first time.
I'll come out of here. Yeah.
Da ist Einbahnstraße, so go durch die Kreise. You go outside here.
Okay. I think it's because I'm supposed to go around the roundabout. First go round the roundabout.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Bin ich dein Neger? Habe ich hier Neger stehen?
Sorry? Yeah.
Steht hier Neger?
Comfortable? Yeah. Probably not going to be able to film for the whole thing if that's what you're saying.
No, I'll just take some pictures.
Unexpected that.
That's like kind of that roller coaster in Disneyland.
Yeah.
Is that an M3 in front?
No, just probably a 330i.
See what you mean about me taking my Fiat Panda?
Yeah. When you see them coming out, you just have to indicate and let them past.
thought you had to go on the grass. So you just got to go slow until
you see a green flag, yeah, basically. wrong here. Well, at least it's the right way up. At least I didn't hit the barrier. Just the gravel.
This car, it seems to, when you go right up the revs, it really hits the torque.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, a lot of compressions. Slowest corner of the track.
Kicking out a little bit then, wasn't it? Makes my ears pop.
Yeah, it's up and down, family wagon coming up.
Just be careful with it.
This is the only bit on the whole track that has a speed limit.
That's what?
It's just that so they class it as a public road.
Oh, okay.
Obviously nobody actually follows it. So uphill a lot here.
This car, it just seems to go faster when you're going over 100 more than anything.
Yeah, just keep pulling. Really throws you off because you see, oh, that's a fast car, you think, oh, they're going to come flying, and they don't sometimes, and then you see a slow car, then they come flying.
Yeah.
Carousel.
Is this like the halfway point? Or is it past?
Yeah, if you have a low car over there, you end up bottoming out.
I didn't think tyres would be able to hold this well.
No. You also have to remember to brake before the compression.
Otherwise it...
Yeah. You could end up in the wall.
Yeah. Where are you going then?
Yeah. A lot of it's a bit samey. You think you're at one area, you're not. I'm sure it's nearly the end now.
Yeah. Got the last.
Then there's the mini carousel and then that's pretty much it.
Yeah. Is there a roof rack on?
Probably. Don't be surprised.
Whoa.
Well then, there we go. 2 laps done in the BMW 650i. How did it go and how did I do, I guess? Now obviously I'm not a professional racing driver. I haven't really had much experience of track days at all. Fun fact, the Nürburgring Nordschleife is the only track day I've ever been on, funnily enough. But I think I've done okay. I think that I kind of held my own. Not that you should really, you know, take a tourist lap as a race. You're not racing anyone other than yourself. But I feel like I coped well. I feel like I, you know, kept checking my mirrors. I kept, you know, an eye on the faster moving traffic behind me. I indicated to the right and stayed to the right for the most part. And yeah, I had a lot of fun. I didn't really have too many unnervy moments, should I say. The brakes as well, there were only standard brakes on that car. They seem to hold up for the most part. I think on lap 2, there was a little bit where they got slightly hot, so I cooled them down a bit, and then they was absolutely fine. But yeah, in general, for a road car, like, it seemed to perform absolutely great. Now it goes without saying, if you are thinking about visiting the Nürburgring, if you're thinking, oh well, I want to go there but I'm scared about crashing, honestly, don't worry about crashing. Whenever you come here and you go on a tourist lap, you're never going to be pushing it 10 tenths anyway. You're only really going to be able to get probably half the performance out of the car, and you'll probably only be able to push yourself, you know, to half of your limit as well. So yeah, just come here, do a few sighting laps, and just have fun. Don't like put any expectations in your head of, oh, I need to get a sub 10-minute lap time or anything like that. That's why people end up crashing. They just push themselves too much, and they start racing other people. So yeah, I had a great time. I went on with my dad and my brother. It was my brother's first time. It was pretty funny seeing his reaction. Yeah, that was definitely funny when, especially the acceleration and, you know, how fast I was cornering, and that. He's never really done anything like that. So that was a great experience for me. But yeah, I want to thank you all for watching. Remember to give this video a like, leave a comment down below, subscribe if you have not already done so, and I will see you all in that next one.